Are you bored of your default Windows wallpaper here? So here's how you guys can change your exit wallpaper under 10 seconds. So right click on empty space, go to Personalize, and go to your background. And from here, you can choose or browse any photos that you guys wanted to. You can also go to your wallpaper or whatever folder that you have wallpaper inside. So you can change to whatever wallpaper that you guys want. So for example, this one, let's go. There you go. You can literally bypass these old tricks. You can just get the wallpaper like this one here. This is like Gargantua from Interstellar. Right click and set as, and it's that simple. So this is how you can do that. And you can also slideshow the wallpaper. So you need to go this time on Personalize once again, and you need to go to background. And this time from picture, you need to select here slideshow, and you will need to choose your photo or album. So you can use your OneDrive, I guess, this one, or you can also use your local. So I have a local wallpaper here, so choose your folder, click on this button. Now you can just right click. If you don't like, you can just click on next. It change the wallpaper as you move on. And you guys can download wallpaper from online websites that I'm gonna link down description down below. So if this video helps you out, drop a like, subscribe if you don't want to miss a quick tip just like this. Thank you so much for watching.